If the economic situation has made you frustrated and low on cash, not to worry, I have the perfect solution for you that can help you take care of your family and loved ones in this economic recession. All you have to do is to apply to this job that I'm sharing today, and you can get yourself a role as a customer support agent, and you can start earning about $20 per hour. You heard me right, per hour. As a customer success or customer service agent, you're going to get paid that much. You can be happy at your job, you can be happy in your home, and you can live a fulfilled life. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to come onto this website that is giving out the job. I'll be sharing the link to this website during the video, at the middle or at the end of the video. So you need to stay to the end of the video. Don't skip, because I'll be sharing all the details about this job. So when you come onto this place, you're seeing that they're saying this is a temporary part-time job. You're going to work 23 to 29 hours per week, and you're going to be paid $20 per hour. This is not per week, this is per hour. So you should start getting your CV ready as soon as possible. If you're not part of the people that are looking for a job, I will say you should click off now. Let the serious ones get in here. So they are saying you need to have excellent written English, you need to learn about the company, which is YNAB, and a total of 23 to 29 hours. You need to do it as well. So they say you need to have a reliable laptop or computer as well. So in the US, you can work in these states that they've listed out. So they are just introducing the team. What are the team about? What are the diverse backgrounds of people you're going to be working with? How do you relate to them? So they're just giving you like an inside knowledge of what the team looks like. And they said this person, Della, is the manager and is the support onboarding leader. So you work directly under her, I think, and so they are introducing her as well. So these are very vital information, because this will give you an insight of what the job is about, so you don't need to be confused, or you don't get confused about anything at all. So yeah, they're saying what you need to have for you to be eligible for this job. They're saying you need to be curious, you need to answer questions. Like, questions is very important, because if you're working in customer support or customer representative or anything in customer care, you need to answer questions, because some people might ask one questions in 1,000 ways and they will still not understand. So your ability to kind of keep quiet, like answer them in the most responsible and most polite manner, is something that will determine if you're fit for this role or not. So they're giving you like an insight of what a day in your life is going to look like working in this company. Something that I love about this company is that they're giving a very, very detailed information about everything you're going to experience. So it's not like people that are just going to throw you into the fire and then you burn. But these people, they're explaining to you what your job is going to look like if you decide to work with them. So it is very, very intelligent, and it is very, very good, so that when you look at this, if it's not for you, you can simply log off. For all my girlies who are about to take this job, I would say you should start preparing your CV now. If you don't have any certification in customer care or anything like that, I'm going to put a link in my description box, and you're going to get that certification within 3 hours. If you diligently take that course, the course is not long, but you're going to get certified for free. So if all my girlies that are here, and all the men have as well, if you are interested in this and you want to apply today but you don't have any certification in customer care, click that link in my description box and get this certification so that you can start applying. So now they are showing you the requirements. So I'm going to show you. So you need a resume. If you don't have an updated formal resume, that's fine. An informal overview of your work issue and education is what we are looking for. There are answers to a few factual questions. They said they are going to ask you questions and you're going to provide factual answers. And then I said, finally, answers to questions, 4 questions that will help us get to know you. So these 4 questions, I think, is introduce yourself and I'll explain why you'd be a great fit for the role. Describe a situation where you had to learn a new tool or a new skill for you to like get a job or get like yourself acquainted with a new role or service. So all these questions, I'll be putting them in the description box so that you can use ChatGPT to draft a very intelligent answers to them before you can, get started. You see that the application deadline is September 22nd, 2024. It's fully remote. It's $20 per hour. So if you're someone that you're looking for a job, please start preparing your CV. This is ending 22nd of September. From today is still a very long time. Today's date is 10th. So if today is 10th, that means you still have 12 whole days to prepare your CV and get started in this job. So I'm going to put all the details of everything I've mentioned in the description box so that you can apply ASAP, like apply right now. So we'll go on to the next phase, which is me trying to apply, so you can see how it looks like and everything. So I'm going to click on apply now, and when I click on apply now, it's going to take me directly to the stage 2 of the process. So now they're asking me for my personal details, which is first name, last name, email address. You will also include your phone number and your CV, and then there are questions that they're asking. What country do you live in? So now you need to click on your country. There are like a large number of countries that they listed here, so I'm just going to look for Nigeria. I'll click on Nigeria right now, and when I click on Nigeria, it's going to ask me other questions. What states do you live in? So they said if you don't live in the United States, because all the states they provided here are in the United States, you're just going to click on I don't live in the United States. So something I love about this job is they're asking you what hours of the day would you prefer to regularly work. So they are not even the ones that are going to impose days on you. You have the option to choose the days that you feel that you're going to be like available to work better. And they say, what days of the week are you going to say they are off limits? In Nigeria, I know people hate working on Sundays, so you're going to include that as well, and other vital information. I will suggest that you go through this website attentively and diligently so that you can get yourself acquainted with all these questions. If it's possible, write out the questions, answer them first before you come onto this website, because it's not advisable that when you're applying, you're clicking off the website and you're coming back on. It might make some of your data to get missing. So it's good that you come, just like the way I'm scrolling past this website. I'm not really clicking any answer. I'm just trying to get all the questions. So now that I've gotten all the questions, you need to just answer them on your own, and then you can just copy and paste all your answers, and that will be faster and easier for you to navigate the website. Something I really like as well is the diversity and the inclusion of this brand. So they have an option for you to select your gender, your ethnicity, if you have any disability. So there's not going to be any kind of segregation or any form of racism amongst people that they employ. And they're also going to say if you're a veteran as well, you should include what you're a veteran in or what you did and things like that. They're going to give you an option. You just need to click on the button and make selection of your answer. So this is the end of the application. If you've answered all the question, you just need to you're going to click on the allow us to process your personal information. You can view their privacy notice as well if you're concerned about privacy and things like that, and you just click on submission and you can get yourself the job. This is like one of the easiest application process I've seen, and I encourage you to prepare your CV and apply before 22nd of September so you can be sure that you've gotten your application in. The pay is extremely good because $20 per hour, do the conversion, you know how much that is in naira. So I will implore that you guys subscribe to my channel so that when I drop more jobs like this or more content like this explaining an application process, that you will get the notification and be one of the first people to watch and at least tender your application. I wish you all good luck in this application, and I know I will get an amazing review. So I'm sending you all love and light, and until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye.